Flammable liquids are one of the most commonly transported dangerous goods, but also one of the highest fire risks. In this video, we'll explain what Class 3 flammable liquids are, how they are classified, and what determines their packing group. Class 3 includes liquids or liquid mixtures that produce flammable vapors at temperatures of 60 degrees Celsius or below. This includes liquids containing solids such as paints, varnishes, and lacquers. The key measurement for flammable liquids is the flashpoint, the temperature at which a liquid gives off enough vapor to ignite in air. The lower the flashpoint, the higher the fire risk. Flammable liquids are assigned a packing group based on flashpoint, boiling point, and viscosity. These factors determine the level of danger and the packaging standard required for safe transport. Packing Group 1 represents the highest danger, Group 2 is medium risk, and Group 3 is lower risk, but all still require strict compliance when transported. Common Class 3 flammable liquids include petrol, diesel, paint thinners, acetone, methylated spirits, and nail polish remover, all everyday products with significant fire risk. Unlike some other hazard classes, Class 3 flammable liquids have no subdivisions. All materials fall under a single hazard category based on their flammability. Incorrect classification, packaging, or handling of flammable liquids can lead to fires, explosions, and serious incidents. Always ensure dangerous goods are correctly prepared and declared for transport. For dangerous goods compliance and support, DG Solution Services both New Zealand and Australia, providing consultation, on-site training, packaging solutions, dangerous goods labels, and UN-approved packaging. Contact DG Solutions to keep your dangerous goods compliant, safe, and moving.